Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new update to Instagram Reels where you can now post 60-second videos. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So Instagram have just released a new feature to Reels where you can now upload or record 60 seconds videos. This is great as you can now post your 60-second long video from TikTok to Instagram Reels. So let me show you how to get the 60 seconds option. Before we begin, make sure you update your Instagram from your App Store or the Play Store for Android phones. Now once that is updated, go ahead and open it. Tap on the plus sign at the top right. Tap on Reels. Now on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see your toolbars. Tap on the down arrows to expand it. Within the list, you'll see length. As you can see, it is set to 30 seconds, which is the default. To change it to 60 seconds, you need to tap on it until you see 60 seconds. If you keep tapping it, you'll go back to 15 seconds, then 30 seconds, then 60 seconds. Now, start to record your reels. As you can see at the top, the countdown starts from 60, so that means you're recording a 60 seconds video. Now you can also upload a 60 seconds video from your phone library. To do that, tap on the bottom right upload icon. This will be a square at the bottom left of the screen. Choose your video which is 60 seconds or over. If it is over, Instagram will let you choose what part of the 60 seconds video you want. You can choose it by moving the white bar left or right. Then tap on Add button at the top right. After uploading or recording your 60 seconds video, tap on Preview. Now from this screen you can do similar things like you do on your Instagram stories. Add your music, voice, effects, stickers, lines or text. And then finally post it on Instagram Reels. And there you go, that is how to use the 60 seconds feature on Instagram Reels. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.